ever wondered about the unique creatures that inhabit the vast Australian bushland? Today, we're taking you on a journey to meet one of these remarkable creatures, the elusive and captivating numbat. Numbats, small and slender, stand out with their reddish-brown fur adorned with distinctive white stripes, making them easily recognizable amidst the diverse wildlife of Australia. They may be petite, yet these marsupials are remarkably adept at survival. Their size, in fact, is one of their many survival tactics, allowing them to nimbly navigate the dense undergrowth of their woodland habitats. But their size isn't the only thing that's noteworthy about numbats. Their fur isn't merely decorative, it's also functional. The alternating reddish-brown and white stripes serve as an excellent camouflage, blending perfectly with the sun-dappled eucalyptus bark and the shadows cast by the leaves. This camouflage helps numbats hide from predators and also sneak up on their prey, making them skilled hunters despite their size. When it comes to food, numbats have a rather specialized diet, feeding mainly on termites. Using their keen sense of smell, they can locate termite colonies, even those hidden deep within logs or underground. Once they've found their food, numbats employ their long, sticky tongues to slurp up the termites, managing to consume several hundred of them in a single meal. Numbats are also known for their solitary nature. They prefer to live alone, each numbat occupying and defending its own territory. This solitary lifestyle, far from being a disadvantage, is yet another way numbats have adapted to survive in the harsh Australian bushland. So, while they may be small, numbats are far from insignificant. These insect-eating marsupials, with their distinctive fur and specialized diet, are true masters of survival in the Australian bush. Despite their tiny size, they play a pivotal role in their ecosystem, a testament to the remarkable diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. What makes the numbat so unique among Australia's diverse wildlife? Well, it's all about their exceptional adaptations that make them true survivors in the Australian bush. Let's start with their most striking feature, the slender, pointed snout. This isn't just for show, folks. It's a remarkable adaptation that enables the numbat to probe and pry into the tiniest crevices in search of its favorite meal: termites. Yes, you heard right. These little marsupials are termite connoisseurs, with their diet consisting almost entirely of these small insects. Now you might wonder, how does a numbat actually get to the termites, often hidden deep within logs or underground? That's where the numbat's second unique adaptation comes into play: a long, sticky tongue. When a numbat locates a colony of termites, it extends its remarkably long tongue, which can reach up to 10 centimeters in length, into the termite mound. The termites get stuck to the tongue and are swiftly slurped back into the numbat's mouth. But it's not all about feeding. The numbat's distinctive coat of reddish-brown fur with white stripes serves as a fantastic camouflage, helping it blend seamlessly into the surrounding bushland. This helps them avoid detection by predators, adding yet another feather to their survival cap. And let's not forget the numbat's sharp claws. These aren't just for show either. They're essential tools that numbats use to dig into termite mounds and bark, and even for self-defense when needed. These unique adaptations make the numbat a fascinating study in survival and adaptation. They're a testament to the numbat's resilience, and a shining example of the intricate ways in which animals adapt to their environment. With a tongue that can extend up to 10 centimeters, numbats can slurp up hundreds of termites in a single feeding session. Isn't that something? These remarkable creatures are a testament to the magic and wonder of evolution, constantly adapting and evolving to survive in the harsh yet beautiful Australian wilderness. Did you know that numbats play a crucial role in their ecosystem? These small, striped marsupials are not just an eye-catching spectacle of the Australian bush. They are also nature's very own pest controllers. Numbats have a particular fondness for termites, a delicacy they relish with gusto, using their elongated snouts and specially adapted tongues to siphon up hundreds of these insects in a single feed. You see, in their pursuit of a hearty meal, numbats help regulate termite populations. This is vital for the health of their ecosystems, as unchecked termite populations can lead to the degradation of vegetation and soil. So next time you see a numbat, remember, they're not just feasting, they're performing a crucial ecological service, But the ecological importance of numbats extends beyond termite control. By digging for termites, they aerate the soil, promoting healthier plant growth and improved soil composition. These marsupials are also a vital part of the food chain, providing sustenance for predators like birds of prey and snakes. However, the survival of this unique species hangs in the balance. Numbats are under threat from habitat loss, climate change, and introduced predators such as foxes and feral cats. Wildlife expert Dr. Jane Goodall emphasizes, the decline of numbats has a ripple effect on their ecosystems. Their loss disrupts the balance, impacting other species and the environment as a whole. Another expert, David Attenborough, underscores the urgency of the situation. We must act now to protect numbats and their habitats. Every creature has a role, and the loss of even one species can have far-reaching effects. So the question that arises is, how do we ensure the survival of numbats? As Attenborough suggests, conservation efforts are essential. From habitat restoration to captive breeding programs, we must strive to safeguard this species. Indeed, the stakes are high, but with concerted efforts and sustained commitment, we can help ensure that numbats continue to thrive in the Australian wilderness, keeping termites in check and contributing to the vibrancy of their ecosystems. Conservation efforts are essential to protect their habitats and ensure their survival. Let's not forget, the survival of numbats is intrinsically linked to the health of our planet. After all, every creature matters. How can we help ensure the survival of the numbat? This is a question that conservationists and researchers have been grappling with for years. The answer lies in a combination of efforts, all aimed at securing a future for these fascinating marsupials. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats facing numbats today. This is where habitat restoration projects step in. These initiatives focus on replenishing and preserving the woodland and scrubland environments that numbats call home. By reintroducing native vegetation and creating safe havens free from introduced predators, these projects are helping numbats reclaim their natural habitats. Yet habitat restoration is just one part of the puzzle. Another critical aspect of conservation is protecting the numbat population itself. This is achieved through captive breeding programs. These programs are like insurance policies for the species, providing a safety net against extinction in the wild. Numbats bred in captivity are carefully reintroduced into protected habitats, bolstering wild populations and enhancing genetic diversity. But it's not just about numbers. The welfare of individual numbats is equally important. That's why rescue and rehabilitation centers are integral to conservation efforts. Here, injured or orphaned numbats receive the care they need before they are ready to return to the wild. Education and community involvement also play a crucial role. By raising awareness about the plight of the numbat and the importance of biodiversity, we can inspire more people to join the fight for conservation. After all, every action counts when it comes to protecting our planet's precious wildlife. In the face of adversity, numbats have proven to be resilient, but they can't do it alone. They need our help, and they need it now. Through concerted conservation efforts, we can help ensure that numbats continue to thrive in the Australian wilderness for generations to come. So as we strive to protect these stunning marsupials, remember this. These efforts are crucial for the long-term survival of these unique marsupials. Let's all do our part to keep numbats around for many more sunsets in the Australian bush. Despite the challenges they face, numbats continue to thrive in the Australian bush. Adapting to ever-changing conditions, these resilient creatures have learned to carve out a life in the wild. With their keen senses and agile bodies, numbats are skilled navigators of their environment. From the tall eucalyptus trees to the lush undergrowth, every corner of the bush provides opportunities for exploration, hunting, and shelter. Their interactions with other wildlife are equally fascinating. A delicate balance of competition and coexistence shapes their relationships with other species, making the ecosystem a dynamic and complex web of life. Through it all, numbats exemplify adaptability and resilience. Their ability to survive and thrive in a variety of conditions is a testament to the power of evolution and the intricate beauty of nature. Whether they're hunting for termites among the fallen logs or sunbathing in the treetops, these charismatic marsupials are a true symbol of Australia's rich biodiversity. So, What have we learned about the wonderful world of Numbats? We've journeyed into Australia's sun-drenched landscapes, delved into the life of this remarkable marsupial, and discovered its unique adaptations. With their striking stripes and slender snouts, Numbats are a masterclass in survival, slurping up hundreds of termites in a single feeding session. We've also seen how Numbats play a pivotal role in their ecosystems, acting as natural pest controllers and maintaining healthy soil. Yet, they face significant threats from habitat loss, introduced predators, and climate change. The tireless efforts of conservationists and researchers are instrumental in safeguarding the Numbats' future. These small marsupials, with their beauty, resilience, and adaptability, truly symbolize Australia's rich biodiversity. The story of the Numbat is a testament to the wonder and complexity of our natural world. Join us next time as we continue to explore the diverse and captivating wildlife of Australia. And remember, every effort counts in conserving these unique creatures and their habitats.